Good morning, cadets. I'm Lieutenant Commander Harish Dubey, and I'm going to tell you something about Birla College NCC. As the tagline says, it is pride of college. When we talk about the history at BK Birla College, the NCC unit in BK Birla College was started right from the establishment of the college that is 1973, with initially 50 cadets of NCC Army Boys Wing. Subsequently, 80 cadets of Army Girls Wing got added in 1975. Before that, the Naval Wing got started in 1974. And in 2004, the NCC units allowed college NCC units to enroll NCC Naval Wing as well. So we claim that NCC Naval Wing girls got started in 2004, and in 2017 onwards, our many cadets are enrolling themselves to the NCC Air Wing. So far, more than 100 cadets have represented BK Birla College at various levels. That is the national level in Republic Day Camp, Nausainik Camp, Thal Sainik Camp, Vayu Sainik Camp, and at international level, that is in Youth Action Program. So far, our 13 cadets have become commissioned officers in the three services, that is Army, Navy, and Air Force, and 12 cadets have become commissioned officers in the nearby colleges. When we talk of strength of Birla College NCC, let me tell you, friends, we are the highest in the country with 330 cadets on roll and with 5 NCC officers as well. We have got 100 Army boy cadets, 80 Army girl cadets, 150 naval cadets, and 20 Air Wing cadets. Birla College NCC has been champion of University of Mumbai. There is one Vice Chancellor's banner competition being conducted at University of Mumbai. So Birla College is recipient of this banner for 12 times out of 19 times. So these are some glimpses of the events when we got this Vice Chancellor banner received at the various NCC Day celebrations. Many VVIPs have visited our college. Vice Admiral MP Awati, one of the known admirals of Indian Navy, visited our college in 1980, it seems. Then Major General Harkirat Singh was chief guest to our NCC Day celebration, and he was GOC, that is General Officer Commanding Maharashtra and Gujarat area. Admiral S.S. Khanna was also chief guest for one of the NCC Day parade, and thereafter almost all additional Director General of NCC Directorate Maharashtra have visited our college. When we talk of leadership, Birla College is known for leadership. Our director, Dr. Naresh Chandra, is ex-NCC officer. He has been Pro-Vice Chancellor of University of Mumbai for two tenures. We have 12 cadets who have been NCC officers in the nearby colleges. Myself commanded Maharashtra contingent 6 times at the All India Nausainik Camp. I've also led Maharashtra contingent at the coastal security, that is sailing expedition, which was 600 kilometers long. Our cadets have received the Best Naval Directorate Trophy as well as the Best Directorate Trophy at the hands of Prime Minister twice. When we talk of honors and awards, as we all know that Birla College has been winner of Vice Chancellor banner 12 times, and I have been adjudged as Best ANO twice, that is in 1999 in the All India Nausainik Camp and in 2006 in the SD Refresher course. My senior colleague Major Swapna Samail got DG commendation card in 2007, and in 2010 I also received this commendation card, which is for one of the best NCC officers of the country. The 5 cadets of NCC Army Boys Wing have received the Chief Minister Scholarship in 2019. This is one of the photograph of the recent event, that is on 30th August 2019, sorry, and when I got felicitated at the hands of Sri Shripad Naik, Raksha Rajya Mantri, Government of India, for my extraordinary contributions to NCC. We have so many best practices to list some of them. We are one of the few colleges who have started NCC studies as a subject, and that is the reason I claim that I am teaching 2 subjects, that is NCC studies as well as physics. Our retiring staff members are invited as chief guests for the Republic Day parades. We give guard of honor to the VVIPs. Our cadets regularly donate blood to the people in case of emergency. Our college premises is provided for the NCC camps. Our ex-cadets are regularly participating into different NCC activities. Our cadets provide assistance to the police authorities. We'll celebrate NCC Day camp quite frequently, and the Independence Day parade and Republic Day parade is a regular feature of Birla College NCC. These are some of the glimpses of NCC Day celebration in 2017 when Major General D.S. Gill, then Director General, Additional Director General of NCC Directorate Maharashtra, was invited as chief guest. So I think we have covered a very short presentation of BK Birla College NCC. I think with this you must be getting some idea that you are becoming part of such a prestigious NCC unit of Maharashtra. So feel proud that you have joined NCC at BK Birla College. Thank you. Jai Hind.